Well, I'm just digging out this part here, and I noticed in the mud we've got footprints, and these are coyote footprints. That's the best one. Why, what did we do today, me lass? So what did we do today?
They slightly improved the road today, so we'll trick the mailman to come up to our house and bring the mail.
Oh, I will. And thank you for watching. Hope you've had as much fun watching this as we've had digging out all that gravel and rock. Lo and behold, I hear the sound of machinery in the distance. On the gravel road, what could be happening? Well. There's your man here. Oh, there's the man. Excellent. Okay, they're now getting it all sorted out. Nice. What's the gentleman's name again, Dave?
David.
David. And you are?
I'm Tina.
Tina?
I'll break the camera.
Tina's about to break the camera, so I'm not going to take any video of her, just to ensure the safety of the camera. So what he's trying to do now is dig out the culvert. He thinks there might be a culvert under there, and if there is, that's great. He's already done the road looks smashing. He's taking no prisoners, man. Great job. He's going to try and expose the end of it with his shovel. Guys are good, man. Really good. Look. She's found the end of the. Is that it?
That's the culvert.
She's found the end of the culvert, man. That's excellent.
But it needs dug out with a shovel.
I'll do that. I can do that, look, no problem. Thank you for exporting that, man. Ha. These guys are doing a great job. I'm so grateful that they came out. And they're nice people too. They're really nice people. We've got a dog. Siberian husky crossed with a wolf. We just saw a coyote in the field there. Looked just like a German shepherd, but it didn't have the accent. I'm gonna dig in the culvert. I'm gonna dig some mud. I'm gonna dig in the culvert, just like I think I should. Yeah. Here we go. Culvert digging for fun and profit. Minus the profit, but a whole lot of fun. So what's going on now is there's a trench alongside this road. When the water comes pouring down here, it's got nowhere to go except it percolates under the road and causes it to deform. Hydraulic. So what I'm doing is I'm digging out this newly discovered culvert. So when the water comes down, hits this trench, it'll come flying down here, hit that culvert, go through, come out at this side, then level up, and then make its way to the big culvert here. So fingers crossed it's all going to work. Fun and games. Well, the good news is that I've been able to clear this part of the culvert. It was only blocked for about 3 feet, so I've been able to get it back there. So this is the big culvert here, water's going there, and I've dug back here. So when it comes out of that culvert there, it should flow there. Well, it's a little bit uphill. I'm just concerned about if this comes down like crazy, it's going to go in that direction. I don't know. see next time we get some serious rain. But from me, thanks for watching, and I've had a great day. Now I'm kind of knackered, so we'll come back and hit it again tomorrow with a longer pipe, because I've dug down there and I've got some out, but I think there's still more soil in to clear, so not a big deal. And as you can see by these tools on my shoulder, I'm going back down to the culvert and try and finish out digging the soil out at the end of one side of the culvert. Sitting up there about 3 feet or something, so I brought a narrow shovel. It's been raining last night, so we'll see if anything moved or anything got washed away. It wasn't raining intensely, but it was raining. But it is going to rain intensely, and all that rain's going to fall, come flying down the field here. Look at those beautiful fungi that just jumped up there. They weren't there last night or yesterday. Wow, great. Anyhow, the water's going to come flying down the field, hit this trench, go careening towards the culvert under this piece of road here. We've got that part cleared out, so now I've just got to clear this part out and we can call it good. There we go. Oh yes, this shovel works much better. Are we through yet? There you go. Okay, now we've got that trench dug out. Back to the culvert. I've cleared most of the culvert out. Hopefully the water will wash away anything else inside once it starts coming down heavy. But as you can see, there's a big rock there. I've been able to lift it up, but that's as far as I got. And that's it from me. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next installment of Can I Get This Big Rock Out of the Culvert? Now, it's too heavy for me, so I must use tactics like the ancient Egyptians used. Probably ropes and pulleys.
I've been around